All right, quick video here. I'm working on a 2013 Grand Cherokee. If you need to change the radiator or the condenser, AC condenser, you do not have to remove the front grille. Basically, what you have to do is pop off all those clips that run through the side here. Clips, they all run through the side, come out through the front, come through the other side, pop those clips out. Then you're gonna have screws on this main piece here. You do not have to take off the latch, but you will have to take off the screws that hold it. There's going to be a screw here that's going to hold it. There's going to be a screw in the back that's going to hold it. There's going to be a screw in the back on this side, a screw up here that's going to hold it. And any other screws that you see that are in the way, make sure you pop them out. There's also going to be some clips here that are holding a couple things. Just unclip them. It's very easy. Just unclip them. Same thing on this side. I just unclipped it. Then you're gonna have that cover, which you're gonna have two screws for that cover, one here and one here. You're just gonna remove, and then you're gonna see this whole thing here. And then in order to get to it, remove the fan, which they're connected on two sides down there. It's just regular clips, very easy. You just unclip them. You got clips on that side and that side, up top. Yeah, I mean, and you got to remove this front piece here of the intake. Just get it out the way, basically unscrew it from here, loosen a little bit on that end, that way you can just pick it up and you'll have all this room to work. You will have to unscrew this little piece here as well, the radiator hose. You will have to unscrew, that way you can unclip this piece, and then you will have this screw here, and there will be another screw here, clip holding this piece. It's that simple. And then pretty much when you do remove the radiator, you will have to finagle it a little bit, that way you don't damage the condenser. Just finagle it. When you buy your new radiator, you'll see how it sits, so you'll just have to uncouple the sitting part. Just kind of push it up and just, you know, work with it, wiggle it a little bit till it pops out. Same here. And then you will have to move the AC lines at the bottom when you pull it out. Just move them out the way a little bit, nudge them. Same thing with this side. You have these AC lines down here that run across right there. Just nudge them out the way a little bit. Yeah, very simple work. It does require some time, but yeah, you can save yourself a few $1,000s if you, instead of going to the dealer, they'll remove the front grille. You will also have two screws here. Forgot to mention, you have that screw here right there. You see that piece right there? You will have a screw there. You will unscrew, I believe it's a 13, and then same on this other side. And that's pretty much it, man. It's very simple. You do have to remove one of the horn screws. I did remove this one, that way I could lift it up and just set it to the side here. As you can see, this horn screw is still on because it's on this side, so I just picked it up and moved it. It's very simple, guys. It does take some time though, but yeah, just some FYI here. DIY, do it yourself, guys. Save yourself some money, and please make sure to subscribe and follow for more content. Thank you.